Question 2nd, Mathematics Class 8th, Understanding Quadrilaterals, Chapter 3rd, Exercise 3.2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of number first 9 sides, number second 15 sides. So we are given two parts and we are given with sides. We need to find measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. The key word over here is regular polygon. Whenever we hear this term regular polygon, a thought strikes in our mind. That is a polygon having all its angles equal and all the sides equal to each other. And by now we understand that sum of all the external angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Based upon that, we shall try to solve first part. So we are given regular polygon with 9 sides. So we wrote solution as follows. Regular polygon has all equal angles, that is internal and external, and equal sides. By this we mean, if we are considering regular polygon, all its internal angles will be equal to each other. Similarly, all its external angles will be equal to each other. Therefore, this is mathematical way of writing therefore. 9 sides implies, that is 9 equal angles. Now let's assume measure of each angle to be a degrees. We are taking a variable as small letter a which denotes to angle, and we know very well from previous interactions that variables are always represented with small letter. Therefore we can write a 9 times, that is we are going to add them up because we know sum of all the external angles will be equal to 360 degrees. Hence we wrote a plus a plus a, that is 9 times, that equates to 360 degrees. Now we can take a as common, so we wrote a. Here what should be multiplied with this a in order to get a? It is multiplicative identity, that is 1. So a ones are a, again we wrote plus, a ones are a, and so on, equal to 360 degrees. Now a as it is, we are going to add them up, it will give you 9, that is equal to 360 degrees. A into 9 can be written as 9 times a equal to 360 degrees. This is just a simple mathematics. We are just explaining it to eliminate any confusion. We rewrote this equation here so that we don't get puzzled. Cancelling opportunity. 1 9s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 0 as it is. A is separated, its value came as equal to 40, and since we are dealing with angles, therefore unit of a should be degrees. Hence we wrote a equals to 40 degrees. And we have assumed a as measure of each angle, and that is what the question was asking us to find. That is the measure of each exterior angle. In case of 9-sided polygon, it would be 40 degrees. Here, do not get confused that which angle we are referring to. It is this angle. Again, let's explain you better. So here we have two angles when we look at exterior of a polygon. One angle is like this complete angle. We are not considering this angle, although these angles are equal as well in case of regular polygon, but we are considering this angle. That is, suppose if you're walking from here and you turn at this angle. So if you don't turn at this angle, you would go something like this, that is straight. So the deviation that you took from this path, that is this angle, has to be considered, not this one. Again here, you walk like this. If you don't turn, you would go straight like this. The deviation you took from this path, that is towards this direction, that makes our exterior angle. So always remember that. That completes our A part. Now second part, 15-sided regular polygon. So we wrote solution like this. Regular polygon has all equal angles, whether they are internal or external, and having equal sides. Therefore, 15-sided regular polygon implies, this is mathematical way of writing implies, that is, this thing means 15 equal angles. Again, let's assume measure of each angle to be a degrees. Therefore, we are not writing this time this long form of representation because we are adding a 15 times, so we can straight away write 15 gets multiplied with a. That will give us 360 degrees, again because measure of all external angles and you know very well which angle to be considered is equal to 360 degrees. We have a cancelling opportunity. For a better understanding, we rewrote this equation here. Now let's cancel with 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 1 is remainder, it becomes 10 in our mind, so 5 2s are 10. Again we can cancel it with 3, so 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 is remainder, it becomes 12, so 3 4s are 12. And A is separated, its value came as equal to 24, and we are dealing with angles, therefore unit has to be written as degrees. So each angle of a 15-sided regular polygon, that is exterior angle, will be equal to 24 degrees. So here we have represented 15-sided regular polygon. So this 24 degrees is not for this angle. It would be deviation from the regular path. That is, this small angle will be equal to 24 degrees. Let's explain you again. Suppose you are traveling like this. If you don't deviate, you would go something like this. That is straight to this line. The angle that you deviated from original path, that is this angle, will be equal to 24 degrees, and this is the angle we are dealing with when we talk about exterior angles of a regular polygon, not this one. Although these angles are also equal in case of regular polygon. And again, all these sides are equal in case of regular polygon. With this, our second part is also completed. Important thing to learn from this question is this. What is happening in the last part of the equation in each solutions? We are having 360 and we are dividing the number of sides in order to get measure of each exterior angles. Let's consider here. 360 is getting divided with 9 and here 360 is getting divided with 15. 15 and 9 are the given sides to us. Therefore, in competitive examination, if you'll try to solve your question using this long approach, that would be a slower approach. Rather than that, if you're asked to find measure of each angle of a regular polygon, you can straight away divide the number of sides with 360 degrees. Well, this is the formula in order to find exterior angle in case of regular polygon. That is, you take 360 degrees and divide the number of sides, you just straight away get the measure of each exterior angle. Watch it here. We have 360 degrees and the number of sides given to us is 15. So when you divide it, you get 24 degrees. That is what we got using long form of solving. So this is how formulas are generated. You need not to remember them, but it is important in case of competitive examinations, where solving in less time is the key to success. With this, we have learned a new concept here. That is, in case of regular polygon, we can straight away find the measure of each exterior angle if we divide the number of sides with 360 degrees. With this, our second question of exercise 3.2, understanding quadrilaterals, mathematics class 8th, has been solved.